Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to extract all the colors in a selection or your entire document and then save them so that you can use them later in other projects. All right, let's get started. Okay, first you'll want to open the document that you want to extract your colors from. This is just something I downloaded from becktz.com. First, I'm going to come over here to my swatches panel, and if you're not seeing this, it's right under here under Window. It is right down here. And then I'll come out to the flyout and I'll choose Select All Unused. And that'll select all the colors that are actually not in this document, but that just open up in Illustrator every time I open it. So I'm going to go ahead and trash all those and then say yes. And it does leave some little colors in here. I'm not going to worry about it. Next, I'll select everything that I want to grab colors from. And for me, I want everything in the document, so I selected it all. And then I'll come over here to this little folder, and if you hover over that, it says New Color Group, and that's what we want. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to create from selected artwork and convert process to global, and then I'll say OK. So now I've got all of these colors in their own little folder in my swatches. Now let's say this red color, I want to change it to one of my company colors. So I'll double click on that red swatch and then I'll just enter the RGB values. And now we've got this kind of purpley color and I'll say OK. And you'll notice that all the places that there were red are now our purple color. And the reason that happens is because we chose global swatch in the options. Let's say we want to save these as a color library, a swatch library. So to do that, I'm going to click right on that folder and it highlights all the colors in there. And I'll come out to the flyout again and choose Save Swatch Library as ASE. And it doesn't really matter actually which one of these you choose. So I'll do that. And it's going to ask me where I want to save them. Now for me, it's opening up right here in Swatches under my Illustrator version and ENUS. And it should automatically do that. I'm going to save this as Color Library 1. And then I'll save. It's going to give us a little warning that the gradients, patterns, and tints are not exchangeable. So they're not going to come up when you open the swatch file in other applications. So we'll say, okay, I'm going to start up a new document and letter is fine. And then you'll notice that the swatches are gone. So you can come right up here to the flyout, choose Open Swatch Library, then go to User Defined down here at the bottom and choose Color Library 1. And here they all are. To add them over here to your swatches, you can just click on that folder and it adds them to your swatches. And then you can close this. Now you have all these colors available for the project you're currently working on. And that's it. All right, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you liked it and you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.